Vandenberg reaction. This is a part of liver function test. This is used to know the increased levels of bilirubin, in the blood, in the serum, to know increased levels of bilirubin. That means here this reaction is positive only when the levels of bilirubin is above the normal. Positive only when the bilirubin level is above the normal or increased above the normal value. Okay, let us see how this is done. There is a reagent called Vandenberg reagent. Vandenberg reagent. This is a mixture of equal amounts of sulfonylic acid and sodium nitrate Okay, Vandenberg reagent, it is a mixture of equal amounts of sulfonylic acid and sodium nitrate. The principle of this test is that conjugated bilirubin it reacts with this sulfonylic acid and forms and gives a purple color the principle is the conjugated bilirubin it reacts with sulfonylic acid and gives purple color. Let us write it in the paper. Sulfonylic acid it reacts with bilirubin and gives purple color. Remember, this bilirubin is excess bilirubin. Then one more important advantage of this reaction is we can find which type of bilirubin is increased, whether it is conjugated or unconjugated. Let us see how it is found. First, if we will take serum, right? In this serum we don't know whether there is increase in conjugated bilirubin or unconjugated bilirubin. Now what we do is we'll add the reagent, that is Vandenberg reagent. If it gives purple color, within 10 seconds, then it is conjugated bilirubin with purple color within 10 seconds. Then it is not 10 seconds, it is 30 seconds. If you get purple color within 30 seconds, it is then the level is the color that is conjugated bilirubin. Now if you don't get this purple color even within 30 seconds, then what we do is we'll add methanol. Okay, already we have added reagent but we didn't get the color. Now we added methanol to that. If you get the color within 30 minutes, then the level is due to unconjugated bilirubin. Now what we one more is we got purple color when we add reagent to the serum. We got purple color. again what we did is we added methanol also. After addition of methanol, the purple color is intensified. It intensified. Then that is due to both conjugated bilirubin and unconjugated bilirubin. That means the serum contains both conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin. Okay, this is how we differentiate different. How we will come to know the different types of bilirubin. Let us write what I have said on the paper. One is what we did is we took serum, right? To this serum, what we did is we added the reagent, that is one bug reagent. So we got the purple color within 30 seconds. Then that is due to conjugated bilirubin. In the second case, what happened is we didn't get purple color even within 30 seconds. That's why what we did is we added methanol. After addition of methanol, we got purple color within 30 minutes. Remember, it is seconds, whereas it is minutes. Then that is due to unconjugated bilirubin. In the third case, what we did is we got purple color, but after addition of methanol, the color is intensified. That is due to both conjugated and unconjugated. The reason why we are adding methanol is usually this Vandenberg reagent, it reacts with conjugated bilirubin. It reacts with conjugated bilirubin because it is soluble. Conjugated, it is soluble, so it reacts with the reagent. But unconjugated, it is insoluble. So we added methanol. What this methanol does is it solubilizes this unconjugated bilirubin, and it makes this unconjugated bilirubin to react with the reagent. Okay, this is how the test is done. So as all of us know, conjugated bilirubin, it is increased in obstructive jaundice. So when there is increase in conjugated bilirubin, then it is said to be obstructive jaundice. Unconjugated bilirubin is increased in hemolytic anemias or hemolytic jaundice, we can say. Hemolytic jaundice. Both is increased in hepatic jaundice. And one more is this the reaction which appear in which there is purple color within 30 seconds, it is direct positive. Whereas the reaction which appeared in 30 minutes, it is indirect positive. And other which appeared in which the color intensified after addition of methanol, it is biphasic. So when we say biphasic positive, it means it is hepatic jaundice. When the test is indirect positive, it is hemolytic jaundice. When the test is direct positive, it is direct positive. Okay, this is about Vandenberg reaction.